Hey guys, it's your girl Lisette, and today I'm showing you a video on the revolutionary electronic makeup brush cleaner and dryer. Try saying that 100 times fast. Anyway, so in this video I show you the bits and pieces included in the box. I go ahead and load up my brushes and I put it to work to see if it actually works. So if you want to see the outcome of this experiment, stick around. One of the first things that I noticed was that what you saw on the box was exactly what you found inside the box. So I was not surprised. There were no missing pieces or um, pieces that didn't match what I saw. So I was happy about that. The round piece that you see here actually holds the rubber bits that hold your brushes in place, which you see in the bowl. Since the end of these pegs have little holes in it, it actually sticks into that round piece that you saw a couple of seconds ago, which is for storing your pegs. The assembly is pretty easy, it's just connecting the dots. Another piece that you find is this little connection that goes into the remote control. The control has a button on it. It feels pretty heavy and sturdy. Alright, now I'm locked and loaded and ready to go. Let's see how this works.
I guess that's a fail.
Clearly, this brush cleaner was not trying to cooperate with me. So what I did was I grabbed some nail glue, not crazy glue because who has crazy glue when you actually need it? And I used about 4 drops into the remote and I reattached that piece that kept falling. Let's see how it worked out.
Not.
So once I was finally able to get this brush cleaner to work and cooperate with me, I realized a couple of things that I may have goofed on. For example, I probably used way too much soap in the bowl. And so I just had a bunch of bubbles in that bowl. I had to use a second cup. And then I had to run my brush under running water because there was still kind of suds in the bristles. So that's an indicator that, it's really not fresh and clean as you would like. I don't think that this mechanism does clean the brush to the best of its ability because I noticed that there was still some eyeshadow there. And when I do this manually with my other methods, I'm able to get that pigment out of the bristles. So I'm not sure if I trust this thing. I do think that they're onto something and they should go back and maybe tweak the design, especially with that little piece that kept falling out. And as a makeup artist, you want to be able to wash all your brushes. It would be great if I can have something similar where I can load up a bunch of brushes and have everything wash at the same time. Because if you're like me, you have a ton of brushes, and who has time for laundry, right? You want to just get this stuff over with, and that's it. Not to mention, you're supposed to spin it around so it can dry. It really didn't dry. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at Lisette. That's LISSETTE.